Alright guys, today I wanted to do a unboxing and review on my new men's wallet that I got here. Let's go ahead and check it out. I've been needing a new wallet, and this one that I'm going to show you is like one of the slimmer options that I've been looking for. And it's, bam, it's this one right here. Very, very nice. Take this out. So what's very, very cool about it is, one, it's this very nice looking leather on it. But on the inside, you have a money clip right here that is removable if you so choose to. You can put your ID right here. It's got some quick access cards right here, which I'll go ahead and kind of just show you. Put that there. We'll put that here. And then we'll put one towards the back. All right, so then you fill it up. And what's also cool is you also have like another like quick access point right here. It has that RFID blocking on here. Right, and the other cool feature is if you pull on this little tab right here, it'll literally bring out the card that you have right here. So I thought that was a really, really cool feature. In case you can't fit whatever you need here, you could also have another, like I said, card right here. So that makes it really, really neat. All right, and then once you're done with it, you literally just push that card back in, and then this is good to go again. I like how slim it is. Like compared to my iPhone, it's probably half the size of my iPhone Pro Max. So that's a big thing for me, is like I don't want this big bulky wallet. Oh, and like I said, you could also put money in here on the money clip. Literally just like that, and then fold it up, and it's good to go again. If you're looking for like a good gift for Father's Day or for Christmas, birthdays, anything like that, just cause gifts, this wallet definitely should be on the top list. Highly recommend, definitely a 10 out of 10.